Hey, good afternoon. Bob Trade Genius here. The afternoon of the 10th of December. I'm going to show you a few charts here. This is the Russell 5 minutes, and this is our day trading money machine, and it has two components. One here is giving this is a custom stochastic code that we use, and this is a customized money flow code that we use. And looking at today, it was a very interesting day. Is that right from the start we were getting an overbought situation, and it was confirmed by money flow. And a lot of times what you'll see in the morning, if they're going to sell it off, they'll be able to push it up to the basically the standard deviation 1 of VWAP, and then they sell it off and they took it down to minus SD2. Okay. And you could have took that trade back up if you wanted to, but I was following the arrows. And then you got a second shot at the apple right here, and it came down to our slingshot. Okay, you always take the slingshot long, but this slingshot failed, so you got right back out after it broke back down below where you bought it, and you flipped it back to a reversal to short. It took us down to the low of the day, right at European regular market close. And that's typically a reversal area, and we got a signal on it and took it right back up to VWAP, where we got another sell signal and took it back down again. And then now you're kind of in that chop zone here, and then it gave a small buy signal, and then once the oil market started to close, we got another buy signal that was profitable. This one here failed, and the last one was profitable. So 9 out of 11 these signals were profitable and actionable enough. Even if you have slippage on this, you could have made a couple points on every one of these, and then you'd have lost a couple points on the ones you'd have lost on. And we sell this, and you can get it. Day Trading Money Machine software. I'll show you where. I'll use the promo code HOLIDAY, and it's yours for life, because once I give this to you, it's yours, and it's on Thinkorswim only. We have TradingView ones. I'll show those to you a little bit. But just to show you just the power of this, and also we got a reversal, I think, coming in the market, at least short term, and I'll show that to you in a sec. So we took a VXX trade. When that bottom was coming, we got a confirmation when VXX came back into the linear regression channel. I'll show it to you in a second. So we went ahead and bought December 28th 40 put strike, okay, for 220. I got it at 219 actually. And then I sold a weekly against it just to bring my cost down at the 38.50, and that one at the moment is underwater, but it has 4 days to expire. So anything above 38.50 by Friday, I get to capture this entire premium. And if it gets down to 38.50 by Friday, this number is going to be quite a bit higher. So in order for me to lose money on this trade, it's impossible for me to lose money on this trade unless it's some weird one-day thing. But anyway, here's a good trade for you. And then also Phil talked about on the crypto side is that we've been waiting for Bitcoin to bottom. He talked a little bit about this morning, but here's a good way to hedge it. And if you trade binary options, you get a buy signal. Here's our crypto money machine. Is that you can go ahead and you can actually do Bitcoin spreads on the short side to protect your position, or you can do TUSD. And we put this trade on over the weekend, and quick 7%. Last week we had a big trade on it during that down puff, and our system sees these trades, right after they're turning. So they're a little bit trend follow, but they keep you out of trouble, and it gives you some really nice runs when they move. And so you could get access to all this stuff, and if you just wanted to check us out, and you just wanted to get the trade signals and not worry about the software, because we posted the VXX trade, and we posted ABX, we posted TUSD, you could get the signals for $49 a month each, combined $89 a month. But if you use the promo code HOLIDAY and you do it by midnight tonight, you get 50% off on that. So you can literally get either crypto signals or ETF signals for $29.50 a month, and you have access to that. That code is good for that's a 1 year promo code, and you can quit any time. So it's just like a no-brainer, but you have till midnight to take advantage of it. And if you want the software, here's the Day Trading Money Machine. We normally sell this thing for $799, okay, or $899 actually. So so you get a 50% off, so $450, not $400. But anyway, killer deal. You would have made that today just trading the futures. And then the same thing with the Crypto Express. That one's $800, and that one is just a subscription, and you just get access to it on TradingView, nothing to load on your software, and works the same way. It pushes the signal right to your email. And then this one here is the Moneymaker, and this one also we push the signal out to you as well. So, and it's for ETFs and for some of the cryptos. So a lot of ways for us to help you make money. Take advantage of it. You know, for what you pay is we definitely help people make money in the markets. Very simple programs. They make sense. They work, and we just kind of grind out the profits on these things. Where we go from here in the market, I think the market's trying to put in a short-term bottom. I also day traded out a little bit of SPY action here too, and it was a nice trade for us. And so I'm thinking it's going to probably push up here. Let me get these other details off here. So now the Stokes have pushed up pretty fast, and money flow and the Stokes here are just starting to curl back up. So either we're going to get either a bear flag and we're going to come down hard, or we're going to push back up, get close to this 270 area. I think we're in a bit of a bounce zone now coming into the Fed meeting next week, and so they may kind of grind it out this week for us. But you know what I'm looking for is a failure here like this, and then I'll just go ahead and close my VXX put trade, and I'll flip short on SPY. Other than that, just keeping it simple. And then the miners are doing just fine now, even though they tried to curve down GDXJ. I saw that. It's still holding on pretty good. It's fighting now. This is what I'm looking for. It's the big fight right here. Moving averages in VWAP. Pushed through and got sold down. Top of the channel. Now, my only worry is they can try to bring the miners back down to here again before the Fed is dovish. That's something to definitely be worried about. But if it breaks above here, then I'll buy some GDXJ calls, and I'll put that out on the room. And if not, I'll let this chop around, see if this is going to be a bull flag or if this is just an overthrow and they're going to try to force it back down to $27. But anyway, this is what I want to share with you today. So it's going to be an interesting week, and a lot of people are calling for a market crash. And I showed you those charts over the weekend. They're definitely, definitely a possibility this thing could just roll over and die, or we can get a screaming bounce before it rolls over and dies. You know, and for those who traded 2008, you know, we were swinging back and forth daily, you know, as the market was trying to get liquidity or try to figure out where the heck the bottom was on this thing. So, so anything's possible. I can only take the trade in front of me for the day, and it looks like they're going to try to hold firm at this bottom. And if it breaks today's lows, then we know we're going to go down another step, and I'll talk about that then. But thanks for listening. Check us out, support us, let us help you make some money at the same time, and you know, and take some stress out of trading. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.